Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm gonna test a new product, a new styling tool for you guys. I've been wanting to get this product for a very long time now, and I finally got my hands on it like a couple of days ago, and I haven't even opened that product yet. I want to do an unboxing video with you and tell you what my first impressions are and what I feel about the product and how it works. So the tool I'm going to talk about today is the Revlon Salon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. There are so many good reviews about this, and there are so many people who rave about this product. And also they say this is a good dupe for the Dyson Airwrap, and it costs almost like 10 times the price of this. And if you're wondering, this costs around $64 in Canada, and you can find this in Walmart and Amazon. If you want, I can also leave the link to this product in the description box in case you want to check out. So yeah, if you want to know what I think about the product and what my first impressions are, then please keep watching. So this is how the product looks like, and it has like 3 settings, like low, cool and high. So it's pretty heavy, but for a styling tool with a blow dryer, I think it's fine. And I also feel like the this part is pretty broad, so I don't know if you can really get to the roots of your hair, but let's see. I just showered my hair like an hour ago, like 30 to 40 minutes ago, so it's pretty damp. And I'm gonna use a setting like a heat spray. This is from the Pantene one. This is the heat primer. This helps protect hair up to 450 degrees. Never use a styling tool without a heat protectant. It's definitely not good for your hair. So I'm just gonna spray it all over my hair. Now, what this product claims is that it reduces frizz by 30%, and it also helps reducing any damage to your hair. So let's see what it's going to do. Let's see if it performs like it claims. Make sure your hair is tangle free, otherwise you might end up losing a lot of hair. So make sure it is tangle free. I'm basically dividing my hair into 2 sections so that it is easier to work. So I have taken this big chunk of hair, so let's see how this performs. So I'm gonna put it in low for now and see how it works, otherwise I'll go for high. And I cannot talk while I'm doing it because the sound is pretty high, so I don't think my voice will be audible enough. So I'll get back to you once I'm done with it. I'm liking how it looks like the shine, the way it has performed. It surely gives a little bit of volume on the roots, so if you have thin hair, this is gonna help. And I love how the ends look like because of the brush, the shape of the brush. It really, helps to give you that curl towards the end, like you get it when you have a nice blowout. Let me do the rest of my hair and I will see you guys. And I will also time it so that you can get an idea of how long it could take for my length hair. And if you don't know, I have really frizzy hair, and it's very hard to manage, especially when it's humid. So yeah. I had to do this side of my hair off camera because I couldn't really pull the cable all the way this side, and I was sitting a little far away from my plug point, so I'm sorry about that. But anyway, coming to the review, I think I'm completely loving this look. If you can see, it is a complete salon effect. I am totally loving this. It took very less time, guys. It took almost like 15 minutes to do both sides of my hair, but if you have a really curly and frizzy hair, then it might take up to 30 minutes. But I am very sure this product is going to be a staple in my vanity, and this is so freaking good. I don't know how long this is going to stay on my hair, but let's see. But as far as now, I'm totally loving how it looks, how it feels. My hair is really soft, and I could see that beautiful shine in my hair. It just blew my mind. Yeah, I'm totally in love with this. It also adds nice volume on the roots, so that's a big plus. It looks bouncy. You can style it however you want, and I know only people with frizzy hair can understand this is such a big deal to style your hair however you want without having to go to the salon and invest so much money. But if you're just looking for like a very bouncy sort of a natural look, then you can definitely invest in this. But if you want that poker straight hair, then I don't think this is gonna do that job for you. But otherwise, this is amazing. I just feel so nice, like I'm feeling so happy, because you know, it's always been such a bummer. My hair had always given me so much trouble, so I always end up putting it up in a bun or like a kunda. But this one is just amazing. Like, I think I'm gonna leave my hair open almost most of the times hereafter. And yeah, I'm totally loving this. If you want to add some extra shine to it, then you can go ahead and use a serum or something, but I think I'm perfectly fine with what it's looking like. And for the money, I think it's completely worth it. The cons that come to my mind when I think about this product is a sound, which is really loud, but I think it's okay because a blow dryer also gives this much of sound, so that's fine. And the weight, considering the fact that it is blow dryer with a styling tool, it's completely fine, it's justified. And I think those are the cons that I can think about. The rest of them are all positives. I'm completely amazed by this product, to be very honest. I have used many brushes in the past to style my hair, but I have never loved anything so much. And the hair strands that I can see in the brush is pretty much what I see in my regular brushing. So that's fine, but I wouldn't recommend using this every day, like on an everyday basis. Instead, you can use this whenever you are going for an event or a party, or when you want to look, you know, nice and put together and styled and all that. Then you can definitely go ahead, but on an everyday basis, I wouldn't recommend. That's it. I mean, I don't think I have really anything much to say about the product other than all good things. I'm completely amazed by the product. I completely love this, and I think I'm gonna use more of this. And that's it for my review and my first impression, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.